PhD from GBA Nature and Green Book Ambassador. Today is Sunday. I just be back from clean up 30 minutes in one clinic together with our friends for 30 minutes with the program named Together for Beautiful and Colorful Vietnam in the World Day by Day. My Sunday morning is great. I like it. Because a lot of reasons, but one of the reasons also I have a chance to meet again my friend after a long time I haven't met, and then clean up, to seeing and feeling life around and contribute a hand to protect environment in whatever we can. And next we all come back to continue our day or continue our plan for Sunday or prepare for the next week. And then in my hand is one of the GBA Nature product. GBA Nature is a brand which is inspired life through a healthy life through a natural and organic product. We made from an amazing thing around Vietnam. And I think you guys know a lot about Kudzu powder. Kudzu powder belongs to nutrient categories. One of the categories of GBA Nature product. Well, we use Kudzu powder in our regularly in daily life in Vietnam. Making dessert or making a drink in a hot summer day, and other purpose. Kudzu powder also is known as gluten-free. It could be a great and alternative for some of us with energy with gluten. As a main short introduction, and I would like to invite you guys to check it out more at gbanature.com. And with the social activity is on greenbookambassador.com. I wish you have a great Sunday. Thank you for your time. See you.